The fourth element of flow is a sense of control. Control means feeling everything is manageable, believing you can achieve goals without worrying about uncontrollable factors ruining your efforts. This sense of control creates security, allowing deeper focus in activities. But control doesn't mean perfection. Chess players might miscalculate, climbers could slip. Through practice, people refine skills to minimize errors and achieve objectives. Whether winning a chess match or summiting a peak, this self-directed control brings intense fulfillment. The fifth element is autotelic experience, finding reward in the activity itself, not future outcomes. You might wonder, doesn't this contradict needing clear goals? Actually, no. Results are future-oriented, while goals can be present-focused. Let's revisit basketball. Um, Players should focus on executing each move well now, not obsess over final scores. Worrying about potential failure creates anxiety and psychic entropy. Flow's happiness lives in the process, separate from results. A player fully engaged in each play can experience flow even when losing. Let's recap what we've covered. Section 2 discussed 5 flow elements. 1. Challenging activities. 2. Clear goals and feedback. 3. Self-forgetting through intense focus. 4. Sense of control. 5. Autotelic experience. You might think flow activities like sports or chess require special skills. They seem high barrier for ordinary people without expertise. But Mihaly believes understanding these elements helps find flow in daily life. Now let's dive into the third key point, how to achieve flow in daily life. I'll focus on outlining 4 common methods to attain flow states. The first method is achieving flow through physical activities. While examples like basketball or mountain climbing require specific skills, flow-inducing activities aren't limited to specialized sports. Even simple activities can create flow when incorporating its essential elements. Take walking. We usually rush while thinking about reaching destinations. This result-focused mindset prevents flow, but adjustments can make walking enjoyable. The key lies in setting goals with clear feedback, manageable challenge, and requiring focus. As previously discussed, choose suitable goals and engage with intentionality. Such goals are surprisingly accessible. You could aim to notice environmental details, maintain brisk pace for exercise, or optimize shade coverage during walks. These goal-oriented approaches transform walking into flow experiences. This methodology applies to various activities through intentional goal setting. The second method involves attaining flow through mental engagement. Mihaly cites scientific research, from Newton to Einstein, where focus led to flow states. Quantum pioneer Dirac called science a game, a very interesting game. Many assume scientific research requires advanced equipment, but ordinary people can explore science through observation and documentation. Many breakthroughs occurred through amateur research. Gregor Mendel discovered genetic laws through pea plant experiments conducted while teaching. Therefore, maintaining curiosity about the world helps us find research-worthy fields. Plant enthusiasts can cultivate new flower varieties. Astronomy lovers can discover asteroids with telescopes. Geology enthusiasts collect local minerals wherever they go. All these scientific explorations bring discovery joy. The third method, achieving flow through work. We spend much time working, though often find it stressful. Mihaly's research findings, work actually provides more flow experiences than leisure, despite common complaints. Serving 100+ workers, office staff experienced flow, 51% at work versus 16% leisure. Assembly line workers, 47% versus 20%. Why then do we want to escape work? Mihaly attributes this to flawed perspectives about work. We view work as serving others rather than achieving personal goals. We believe time and energy spent working could be better utilized elsewhere. Many see work as compulsory obligation restricting freedom. These ingrained beliefs prevent us from recognizing work's potential enjoyment. Since we continue working instead of quitting, why not maximize its enjoyment? Like the walking example. Set work goals like optimizing assembly speed or document processing targets. Um, Approach challenges with focused mindset to gain progress and satisfaction. This transforms work from a stressful obligation into fulfilling experience. The fourth method involves achieving flow through interpersonal relationships. As social beings, we inherently crave meaningful human connections. Why does solitude often feel lonely and unsatisfying? Mihaly suggests maintaining mental order becomes challenging alone. Without social interaction, our attention fragments into psychic entropy, naturally unpleasant. How can we cultivate more enjoyment in relationships? Mihaly offers separate advice for family and friendships. For families, establishing shared goals is paramount. These should include both long term objectives like children's education and short term activities. Weekly family game nights create cooperative opportunities for shared enjoyment. Conflicts arise when assuming personal goals automatically align with others. Family members must collaboratively establish mutually agreed upon goals through open communication. Mihaly recommends making family goals both specialized and integrated for harmony. These two aspects. Specialization means tailoring personal goals to individual family members' characteristics. For example, a child interested in pets could take responsibility for caring for the family cat. Integration requires actively supporting others' personal goals within the family unit. This mutual validation strengthens bonds and enhances collective fulfillment. In friendships, Mihaly stresses authentic self expression as crucial. We often suppress our true selves under social constraints like workplace demands. We wear masks as obedient employees, filial children, or loving parents, only feeling free with friends. True friendship shouldn't be limited to casual hangouts. That's just superficial companionship. How can we seek challenges and self improvement through friendships? Share aspirations and vulnerabilities with friends. Seek genuine advice rather than superficial validation. Communicate authentically without social masks. Be your true self in friendships. Prepare mentally. Don't expect only approval from true friends. Real friends offer constructive criticism and face growth challenges together. Similarly, encourage friends to share aspirations and provide mutual support. Let's summarize part three's key insights. Flow isn't exclusive to experts. Set physical activity goals, pursue amateur science, reframe work challenges, collaborate on family goals, or foster authentic friendships for collective growth. These approaches all enable flow experiences and fulfillment. We've now covered the essence of flow. Mihai observes we often mismanage attention, anxious about future, disconnected from present. This mental state's antithesis is flow. Flow involves complete present moment immersion, selflessly embracing challenges with growth. 5 essential elements: challenging activities, clear goals and feedback, focused immersion, control, autotelic experience. Flow isn't exclusive to professionals either. Ordinary people can experience flow through sports, daily pursuits, or work by setting challenging yet achievable goals. That concludes our exploration of flow. Study notes are below. See you tomorrow.